What's popping, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is another hair tutorial and it's in collaboration with Toyotress hair. It is their spring twist crochet hair in the color 1B and it's 10 inches. I'll be showing you guys how I do the braiding pattern as well as how I crochet this hair through. This braiding pattern is different, so I hope you enjoy. To start off, I sectioned the front of my hair. I left out this part because I'm going to do single twists at the front and at the back. Initially, I was going to do it around the perimeter of my head, but I got too lazy. But yeah, I just did. I left out hair at front and at the back so that I can pack it up and I can, do different styles. However, and now I just did like straight back cornrows. It's not really straight, to be honest. It's kind of crooked. I was really tired. I already filmed a video before this, so I just had to quickly figure something out for this. But anyways, I did that, and now I am gonna be doing the twist. So basically, I just sectioned my hair out, left out some for the baby hairs, and I crocheted the twist. You'll see it in the next clip. Okay, let's talk a little bit about Toyotress hair while I show you guys how I twisted the front. So I've been working, this is the second time I'm working with Toyotress hair, and one thing I'll say about this company is their twists and their braids, like whatever crochet hair you get from them, is always neatly done. So the first time I got sorry about the audio, my laptop is heating up again. The first time I got locks from them, butterfly locks, and it was so neat compared to the other hair videos that I have done, so I'll give them kudos for that. And then now this twist, you can see how neat it is, springy, bouncy. I really love it. Even when, as you can see in this clip, I'm retwisting it like from scratch, it still keeps the shape because of the way they twisted it. So yeah, that's one thing I would say about Toyotress that I really love, and I would definitely spend my money on Toyotress hair for sure if I ever want to do crochet. You guys should definitely check out the link in my bio if you like what you see so far. Here I'm using my hands to stretch it out to make it appear longer. If you like a longer look, because it's 10 inches and I'm pretty sure I can stretch more, you can use a rubber band overnight and that should do the work. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is how the hair turned out. I'm really feeling it. My edges laid. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys different hairstyles.
Active by night.
Thank you, big sound.
Guys, make sure to like, comment and subscribe what you guys think of this hairstyle on me, and thank you to Toyotress hair for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye guys.